Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to delete repetitive rows in Excel. Okay, now see this many repetitive rows. Select the full table, go to data tab, remove duplicates, select all, then click OK. Okay, now see this remove automatically repetitive rows in Excel. And you can see this remove or delete repetitive rows in Excel. Remove the blank cells, Control Z or blank, right click mouse, delete, shift up. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.